Hello colleagues, I am Shanika Woods-Laidlow and welcome to my presentation of a pedagogically sound technology lesson plan using digital technologies to encourage reflection. These are the content areas that will be covered in the presentation. The plan follows the 5E model and promotes the use of reflective practices. As part of our grade 6 curriculum, students are required to learn about the production processes of materials in the home. Therefore, this splendid lesson was developed to facilitate this learning. Students will explain, give examples, and identify changes in the production process of a chosen material, while they also draw and conduct experiments using technology. Student engagement will begin with a physical display of raw materials and also a video of the production process of coconut oil. They will discuss the topic, then record as the teacher models the processes involved in bread making. KWL Creator will then be used to reflect on what they know and list what they want to find out, after which they will be paired to conduct a web quest on the raw material they choose to experiment. The information collected along with the processes and results of the experiment will be shared using the Seesaw app. There are various digital technologies that will be used in the lesson. These include an interactive whiteboard. Platinum Copier Solutions 2017 state, interactive whiteboards enhance lessons by integrating various learning styles into one experience while allowing children to interact with the learning materials, thus making it easier for students to reflect on their learning experiences. Eisenbach and Greathouse 2020 state, a blog is a website designed to share informal or diary-style information and ideas, and an effective way for students to reflect on their current learning. Students will use the Seesaw app to complete their reflections and record information during research. This app connects the student, teacher, and parent and is very good for self-reflection. Students can use it to draw, collage, and record, just to name a few of its features. KWL Creator is an important tool to help students reflect on prior learning and information they wish to learn. Abu Hasna 2015 posits, web quests encourage students to use information rather than gathering it and participate in meaningful classroom discussions. It supports critical thinking through analyzing, creating, and evaluating, and integrates technology into learning and fosters cooperative learning. All of the resources used in the lesson support reflective practices in a technology-enabled classroom environment. For these resources to be effectively implemented, we must move away from the traditional way of teaching and learning and embrace technology in the classroom. Jean Piaget stated that children can construct their own knowledge once placed in the right environment with guidance from the educator. Clarkside 2016 states, students that are exposed to technology in the classroom can be constructive, authentic, and goal-directed as they are guided by their educators to investigate, explore, discover, and experiment. The lesson also follows Kolb's learning cycle, moving from the concrete experience of the raw material, video presentation, and modeling of the educator to the reflective observation where students will consider their abilities and team up with peers to complete web quests. Then abstract conceptualization, where students will blog and draw up the processes involved, and ending with the active experimentation of raw materials. According to this table, all of these learning resources support reflective learning and are beneficial to students. However, unstable internet connection and digital devices can be serious drawbacks. We do not learn from experience. We learn from reflecting on experience, according to John Dewey. As educators, it is our responsibility to provide opportunities and avenues for students to become reflective learners. Various technologies were used in this lesson to promote reflection, including the KWL Creator, Seesaw videos and recordings. These must be incorporated in the classroom activities and lessons so that students do not consider reflection a burden, but a part of their daily education. I thank you.